When you eat something sugary, your blood glucose levels rapidly rise. Normally, the pancreas releases a hormone called insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking your body's cells so glucose can enter and be used for energy. But in people with type 2 diabetes, this system starts to break down. The cells gradually become resistant to insulin, meaning that key no longer fits properly into the cellular locks. So even though glucose is circulating everywhere in the bloodstream, it can't enter the cells where it's needed. Instead, sugar begins to accumulate in the blood, pushing glucose levels dangerously higher and higher. At first, the pancreas tries to compensate by pumping out even more insulin. But over time, the insulin-producing beta cells begin to wear out and fail. Now the bloodstream becomes flooded with excess glucose. And that exact mechanism is what happens inside the body during type 2 diabetes. If you gained new knowledge and insights from this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more science-based medical explanations like this.